AREMU AFOLAYAN apologizes to KUNLE AFOLAYAN at their mother's wake, ending public feud. Before we continue, what we do on this channel is to give updates that concerns Nollywood industry. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe. In a poignant moment of reconciliation, actor AREMU AFOLAYAN extended a heartfelt apology to his brother, renowned filmmaker KUNLE AFOLAYAN, during the wake of their late mother, Omoladun AFOLAYAN. The emotional event brought the estranged siblings together to mourn their beloved mother and reflect on their family's legacy. The AFOLAYAN brothers, known for their contributions to Nollywood, had been embroiled in a public feud that played out over the past few years. The rift, which AREMU had previously highlighted through social media posts, stemmed from bitter childhood experiences and unresolved family tensions. These posts had attracted significant attention, with AREMU criticizing his siblings, including KUNLE, for perceived neglect and misunderstanding. During the wake, AREMU publicly acknowledged the pain caused by his online statements, saying, "I'm sorry for making you go through those Instagram backlash." The apology was met with warmth and signaled a turning point for the brothers, who have been distant for years. KUNLE, known for his cinematic masterpieces such as Anikulapo and The Figurine, reportedly accepted the apology, marking a significant step toward healing within the family. Witnesses described the moment as deeply emotional, with family and friends applauding the brothers' efforts to reconcile. The late Omoladun AFOLAYAN, a pillar of strength for the family, was remembered fondly for her impact on her children's lives and her unwavering support of their careers. Her passing has seemingly inspired a renewed sense of unity among the AFOLAYAN siblings, who have vowed to prioritize family bonds moving forward. Fans and industry colleagues have taken to social media to praise the reconciliation, expressing hope that the brothers' relationship continues to improve. Many see this as a testament to the healing power of forgiveness and the importance of family during times of loss. As the AFOLAYAN family mourns their matriarch, this touching reunion stands as a reminder of the enduring strength of familial love, even in the face of long-standing disagreements. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe before you go.